I am super excited to have you here. Over the next 30 days, we will go from absolute basics to building cool little JavaScript projects, one day at a time. Each video will be short, clear, and super practical, perfect for beginners. So, let's begin with the most important question. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a programming language used to make web pages interactive. It runs directly inside your browser and adds life to your websites. Let me give you an analogy. HTML is like the skeleton, the structure. CSS is like the skin and clothes, the styling. JavaScript is the muscles and brain. It makes things move, respond, and act. If you have ever clicked a button and saw a pop-up, typed something and got suggestions, submitted a form and got a message, that's JavaScript in action. So why is it so popular? JavaScript is literally everywhere. Let me show you where it is used. Web development. Websites like Amazon, YouTube, Instagram all uses JS. Backend development. With Node.js, you can write server-side logic in JavaScript. Mobile applications. React Native lets you build Android iOS apps using JavaScript. AI, APIs and automation. JavaScript is used to connect services and add smart features. Games and browser extensions. Yes, even game logic and Chrome extensions uses JavaScript. So this one language powers all of that. Now let's understand why you should learn JavaScript in 2025. There are many programming languages out there, but here's why JavaScript is a must. Beginner friendly. You don't need to install anything. Just use your browser or a free editor like VS Code. Instant feedback. Write code, refresh browser and see results. It keeps you motivated. High demand. JavaScript developers are always in demand in tech companies. Full stack power. Learn one language and build front-end, back-end and even mobile applications. Huge community. Tons of free learning resources, forums, tools and support. So whether you're learning to get a job, start freelancing or build your own projects, JavaScript is the best starting point. Alright, enough theory. Let's get our hands dirty and write our first JavaScript code. So here I have created one HTML file. So I will just add the boiler template. I will just change the title day 1 JavaScript intro. I will add one h1 tag says hello from HTML. Now after this h1 tag we have tag called script tag, where we can write our JavaScript code. For simplicity, I will just write console message or alert message. So I will just say alert and type welcome to JavaScript. We can also log to the console.log. Here we can say hello from JS. So let me start the server. Right click here, open with live server. So it says welcome to JavaScript. So this is what we have written, that is in the alert we have written welcome to JavaScript and it is shown here, and we have the HTML content. So to see the console.log message we have to go to developer tools. So we'll just right click and inspect. So developer tools will be open, and if you go here console, and it has printed here hello from JS. So you can also write JavaScript without any file directly in your browser. So now we are under the console tab, and here we can just write console.log. This is my first JS code, and if I click on enter, as you can see we have got the output here. You will see that output instantly. So that's the power of JavaScript. No setup, immediate results. Let me show the JavaScript syntax basics, and we will see all this in further videos. So we can create a variable like this. Let name is equal to, let's say, Ullas. Let age equal to 25. So we will see what this let is in the future videos, and we can console this message, or better we will alert this message. Hi, I am, and after this we can add name and I am age years old. So let me comment this. So let me refresh here. So it says I am Ullas and I am 25 years old. Some spacing is required, but yeah, we have got that message. So this is a basic example of using variables in JavaScript. We will go deep dive into variables in further videos, but this shows how we can store and use data. So that's your introduction to JavaScript, what it is, why it's everywhere, and how you can start using immediately. In the next video, we will be starting with JavaScript variables, understanding how data is stored and used. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon and comment below if you are ready for day 2. You are now officially on the path to becoming a JavaScript developer. Let's do this one day at a time.